everybody, I'm Cassie from Phoenix Public Library, and today we are going to be talking about osmosis using eggs and vinegar. You only need as much vinegar as to fill a bottle or a jar so that you can cover your egg in its entirety. So I went ahead and poured the vinegar in, and I'm going to drop my egg. Bubbles may form, but you want the egg to be completely submerged, which is why it's better to have slightly smaller containers. When you've got that done, you can seal it tight, and you're going to need to wait at least 24 hours. 48 hours later, I had this beautiful shellless egg. You want to wait for your egg to completely dissolve its shell in the vinegar. Comparing a regular egg with a vinegar egg, you'll notice that the vinegar egg is much bigger. When it dissolved the shell, it went ahead and passed through the thin membrane that is underneath the shell, leaving it intact and filling up that egg. I hope this process didn't make you hungry. It is a vinegar egg after all, so it's not for eating. And even though it looks like it's okay to bounce around, it is not in fact rubber. If you bounce it hard enough, you will crack the egg and the yolk will spill out. Hoping you had an excellent experiment and that you keep on going with osmosis. Bye guys.